In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a theme into your online store. Whether you're setting up a new store or updating your existing one, importing a theme can give your store a fresh look and enhanced functionality. Stick around to learn this simple yet crucial process. To begin, let's make sure you're on your home page. This is your central command center where you'll start the journey of importing your new theme. Once you're there, you want to find the option for the online store. This section is important because it holds all the visual elements and settings that make up the face of your store. It's the backbone of how customers will see and interact with your business. Our goal here is to navigate to the option that says Import Theme. This is typically accompanied by an arrow pointing downwards, symbolizing that you're about to bring in something new. Click on this and a few more options will pop up. What we're particularly interested in is Upload Zip File. Now you might wonder, why a zip file? Well, themes are often compressed into zip files to make the transfer clean and efficient. By selecting this, you're telling the system that you're ready to introduce a new appearance to your store. Now, as you proceed, you'll notice a prompt that asks you to add file. This is your cue to locate that zip file you've prepared. Click on Add File, which will open up a window allowing you to browse your computer's files. Here, you'll search for that theme file you've chosen to transform your store. Once you've found your theme, it's time to make the magic happen. Click on Upload File, and this will start the process of transferring your chosen theme into your store's system. It's akin to setting the stage for a grand performance. This is the moment where your old theme makes way for the new, exciting design you're about to unleash. As the file uploads, take a moment to consider the changes this new theme will bring. A new theme can enhance user experience, streamline navigation, and reflect the uniqueness of your brand. It's not just about looks, it's about creating an inviting environment for visitors. And there we have it. The theme import process is now underway. In just a few steps, you've set yourself up to transform your online store's presence. With this new theme, you'll be better equipped to showcase your products and engage with your customers in a visually appealing manner. Remember, keeping your store up to date is important in this ever-evolving digital landscape, and a fresh look can significantly impact your success. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy selling!